Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'd like to thank all those people who liked my previous videos and subscribed to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel as of yet, you can just go down and press the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. Now, without further ado, I'll start my new video. So the topic for today's video is the 10 best Hollywood films of all time. So I'll just say two things about this list. Number one, I've included only one film per director. And number two, I have not listed these films in any particular order. Okay, so they are just in a random order. So let's start the list. Number one, The Godfather. Not only is it considered to be the greatest gangster film of all time, but also one of the best films of all time in general. The Godfather was directed by Francis Ford Coppola and starred Marlon Brando and Al Pacino in the lead roles. It tells the story of the Corleone family led by the patriarch Vito Corleone, who is a godfather, and how his son transforms from an outsider to one of the most feared, ruthless mafia bosses of all time. Number two, Citizen Kane. Directed by and starring Orson Welles, Citizen Kane was a film which brought innovative storytelling and cinematic techniques to Hollywood. The film tells the story of a wealthy newspaper publisher and his life. The main theme of the film is how childhood is lost and how ambition and greed can destroy a person. Number three, Taxi Driver. Directed by Martin Scorsese and starring Robert De Niro in one of his best performances, this film tells the story of a lonely taxi driver in New York who decides to become a vigilante after he sees the corruption and immorality around him. The next film on my list is City Lights. Directed by Charlie Chaplin, this film is the oldest film on my list. It is a romantic comedy film and it tells the story of a homeless tramp who falls in love with a blind girl and how far he goes to help this girl. The next film on my list is Forrest Gump. Directed by Robert Zemeckis, this film tells the story of Forrest Gump, played to perfection by Tom Hanks, a dim-witted but good-hearted person who has unknowingly witnessed and taken part in several historical events. The next film on my list is The Shawshank Redemption. Directed by Frank Darabont, this film tells the story of a banker played by Tim Robbins who is falsely accused for murdering his wife and her lover and is convicted to Shawshank prison for life. This film gives us one of the most important messages ever, which is even during the toughest of times, we must never lose hope. The next film on my list is One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. This film stars Jack Nicholson and it tells the story of a group of mental patients who all live in a mental asylum. The main theme of the film is that how controlling a person's belief system can completely destroy and shatter that person, and how we must understand our feelings. And it also tells one more very important message, which is that the insane people are actually just sane people who are a bit different. So we should treat them nicely. The next film on my list is No Country for Old Men. Directed by one of my favorite directors, the Coen brothers, and starring Tommy Lee Jones, Josh Brolin, and Javier Bardem, this film is a crime thriller horror comedy film. And it tells the story of a hunter whose life takes a drastic turn when he finds $2 million in a briefcase and is pursued by a psychopathic serial killer who also wants the money. It's a truly amazing film with an exceptional performance by Javier Bardem, one of my personal favorite actors. Sorry for the interruption. The next film on my list is Schindler's List, directed by Steven Spielberg and starring Liam Neeson and Ben Kingsley. This film tells the story of a German businessman, Oskar Schindler, who saved thousands of Jews from the Holocaust. This film has some exceptional direction, cinematography, and a particularly brilliant acting from Ralph Fiennes. And finally, the last film on my list is Inception, directed by another one of my favorite directors, Christopher Nolan. This film tells the story of a professional thief played by Leonardo DiCaprio who steals other people's secrets by entering into their dreams in their subconscious. This film also has one of the best and most open endings of all time. Anyways guys, that was the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and write down your thoughts in the comment section below. So, bye bye.